Yo guys, so I'm about to cross the border. I'm about to go over this little tiny skinny ass bridge. Look at this thing. This is sweet. Just made it to the border, check it out. I'm gonna shut it off for now, that way I could pass my passport and get this thing going. Alright, so I just got stopped and searched at the border. Whatever, it is what it is. Thanks guys, appreciate you. Now that we're officially in Canada, I gotta make the switch. Boom! 106! Take a peek at Lake Ontario.
La 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 la, I'm in the light blue sky, and I don't wanna go. La 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 la, so we should stay out all day. La la la.
We're all locked up and ready to go. We've made it to Batawa. We're in Ontario, Canada. We're out here visiting my girlfriend's family. You can check her out at the Hungry Health Coach. So we're out this little hill just to get her going, so she could get herself, you know, used to riding and stuff before we get to Treblanc, because that's the next stop after. Catch us out there on the hill. Should be a beautiful day. Woo!
La 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 la, I'm in the light blue sky.
Alex, how you been feeling on the board?
Pretty good. It's only my second day riding ever, so I'm doing great.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She's doing excellent. So she's really confident in her backside stop. She's not confident in the front side stop.
No, the
stop
front
yet.
side stop is so
the toe
fast.
edge. Yeah,
it's scary.
Because you have to turn back the opposite way. But once you learn how to check your speed in both those spots, it makes it really easy to ride. And then you can put together those S turns, and it makes for a nice day.
I'm working on it.
Ooh, we should stay out. Yeah, we should stay out like all day. We getting faded when the sun up just to ease into the day. Sipping Dom Perignon with Perrier. The whole damn day go to waste, but it's straight. Cause 85 is sunny means the whole damn team can go and play. Know I'm gifted, getting lifted almost every single day. Ain't talking cheaper, but I'm speaking how my mind can elevate. Renovate your inner circle if they ain't building you up. But I've been with the same people from the second grade bus.
I probably have a head injury.
Ain't trust, yeah, sticking to the script.
You're at a mountain like this at Batawa. It's a small mountain, so in order for you to progress, you need to come out and you need to hit the rails over here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to progress by hitting the rails all day today. We're going to check out this rail in a second. Look how sick it is.
Used to overlook me, now they hopping on my. I ain't trying to flex though. You should see the noties on my cell phone. It's looking like a busy day on Melrose. I'm talking hella traffic on the Ave. I'm securing the bag, the first to the last. I'm taking every turn on the path, cause it's a marathon, dog. I ain't scared of y'all, dog. In the kitchen I've been cooking, been preparing y'all's loss like a 5-course meal.
It's kind of a funny day here at Batawa, because yesterday it was literally above freezing and raining all day. So the snow is kind of icy a little bit, and the tricks are a little bit icy as well. So you should always be careful.
La 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 la, I'm in the light blue sky, and I don't wanna go. La 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 la, so we should stay out all day. We should stay out. La 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 la, yeah, we should stay out like all day. La 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 la. Ay, I'm over mundane Mondays. Now we flying one ways. 20-minute flights over Manhattan, hit the runway. Money is the root to all this evil, that's what some say. Well, I've been learning something less than chump change.
Always work on your floors, alright? Always work on your floors, guys. This is a real quick outro because we got things to do, we got places to be, people to see. But that was Batawa in Ontario, Canada. It was a pretty cool little place. Come check it out sometime. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and check out my other videos. There'll be some links here. Peace.